And Onslow County District Attorney Dewey Hudson says if Lorian is in Mexico, extraditing him back to the U.S. is not an easy task. Today, he told us if Lorian is apprehended in Mexico, authorities have to build a case against him on paper, almost trying him in Mexico before they would extradite him. Hudson says they need to make sure all the evidence is quickly processed in the case. Right now, they're still awaiting processing of a murder weapon. And that's a process, Hudson says, sometimes can take months or even a year. Hudson says if the U.S. is seeking the death penalty against Lorian, extraditing him will be even tougher.
It is one of the countries. We do have a formal extradition treaty with Mexico, and the death penalty, before they will extradite him, I will have to promise him, I assume maybe the military will have to guarantee to them that we will not be seeking the death penalty.
Hudson says besides the murder charge Lorian is facing in Onslow County, the military could also prosecute him on charges even though that incident didn't happen on base.
3rd District Republican Congressman Walter Jones, whose area includes Camp Lejeune, is urging the Mexican president to help with the search for Corporal Lorian. In his letter, Congressman Jones urges President Felipe Calderon to use whatever resources are available in Mexico to help find Lorian as quickly as possible. Lorian, who was born in Mexico and still has family there, is a naturalized U.S. citizen. The FBI now believes that he is in Mexico.